Hello, parents. This is Shweta ma'am from Astral Academy. You all are welcome. So let us go with the syllabus for public speaking and creative writing, the curriculum. First of all, I would congratulate all the parents out there who took this step for their kids to have this confidence and become the public speaker because this is the need of the hour. Parents, just think of a profession where a person don't has to speak, where a kid in their future or in their present days don't have to interact to anybody. There is no such profession. So be it a businessman or aero engineer or a teacher, lecturer, be it any profession, doctor, be it any profession at all, the vital thing is public speaking. It's very important how we are speaking, the way we are speaking. And of course, the creative writing part is also important at the same time. So let's look at the syllabus for public speaking and creative writing for the age group of 9 to 12. Once again, I would like to welcome all of you heartily with the Astral Academy. You all are welcome to be the part of our family. To know more about us, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. Yes. So here, let's start with the curriculum, parents. So the first thing first, the contents, as you can see on the screen, we have self-presentation, then we have public performance, design thinking, influence and persuasion, and then the opinion writing. When I talk about the self-presentation here, what I mean is how your body language should work, how a child can influence his presence through the body language, how a child can represent himself and come out of the box, out of the crowd. When I am speaking about public performance, here the things which will be taught in this content will be like nurturing an impactful voice and developing the confidence and the attitude of the child. The design thinking, of course, it's very vital for the kids in the age of 9 to 12, as they, in the coming years, they have to give their board examination. So how to think about a thing, about a syllabus, about a content, it's very vital for the kids of that age. Then influence and persuasion. Here we will be talking about how to have the logical thinking and developing of logical thinking. And then the opinion writing, of course. The writing here is very critical part. Basically now our kids are getting older. It's very important their writing should not be childish. So for this, parents, when I say about opinion writing, here the kids will evaluate how they have to write. Here the kids will evaluate what is important in writing. Here the kids will be taught about how to think out of the box, how to brainstorm the ideas before writing, how to have that creative mind, that design thinking, that creativity, the growth mindset before they write about their opinions on anything, maybe an essay, a letter, or a report, or a journal, so on and so forth. Let's go with it one by one. From class 1 to 10, in self-presentation, the kids will be introduced with some topics about self-introduction, using the body language, how to overcome the shyness. Because if a person is shy, it's very difficult for the person to talk in front of the public, to talk in front of the crowd. So how to overcome this shyness, how to be confident in your own clothes. So that is the thing which will be taught here. Then how to make the first impression, how to start the communication, or how to initiate the conversation. Then the body language, which is very important. Obviously, how like action speaks more, actions speak better than words. So how your body language can influence your hand gestures, the facial expressions, your eye contact, these are the things which will be taught. From the class 11 to 20, the things which will be taught would be about the public performance, how to have the leadership quality. Today, parents, you must be a housewife, you must be a businessman, you must be an engineer, you must be a doctor, you must be in any of the professions. We all know the leadership skills are very important. So, if these leadership skills, what is the basic, what is the base, if this will be taught or expressed with the kids in this age, this will help them to develop their leadership skills from their childhood itself. So the leadership qualities will be taught, how to make the decision. Here, the kids of 9 to 11 years, 12 years, there are small decisions that how can I manage my time? I want to play. I want to make YouTube videos. I want to do this. I want to do that. They have so much on their plate. So, how to make the decisions, how to make the correct decisions will be obviously they have to take their decisions, but how to think correctly about it will be taught. And of course, the assertive communication. The kids nowadays are aggressive, they are stubborn, and that is important quality a kid should have. But still, how to take these qualities in a positive sense will be there in the assertive communication. Talking about the class 21 to 30, the kids will be taught about the design thinking. Already as spoken, how to be out of the box, how to think, how to create, how to have the exposure of your thinking out of the box creativity. Then the designing concept, there are a lot of contents for designing concepts as well. And then the flash friction, that means how to write about the frictions, how to think about it when you see something, how to differentiate between real and real. And there are a lot of concepts in design thinking which will be taught with the kids. Talking about the classes 31 to 40, where we will be starting for influence and persuasion. So the persuasion techniques in advertisement, how to be, socially active, how to be an active personality. These things will be included here. How to have the influence, how to influence people. See, influencing people can term as a negative term, but if we see it practically, influencing people is how to show up your personality. And then more of the propaganda techniques will be also be taught to the kids with the practical exposure, of course. By now, when we are done with the 40 classes, I guarantee you, parents, that these 40 classes will be the changing time. You would see a lot of changes in your kids, their personality, their way of thinking, and how to talk, how to express themselves. By this time, the kids would be improved in a lot of senses. Last but not the least, the classes 41 to 50, it will be about the creative writing, where when I talked about the opinion writing, it would be logical thinking, how to write in a systematic format. Obviously, how to have the sequential writing, how to write about the time. If you're writing the flashback, how to go from present to the flashback. If you're writing about the future, how to go from present to the future in your writing, how to have that sequence of writing, that the writing should start with the introduction, then we have to go to the body, and at the end we have to summarize, we have to conclude our writing. These things will be taught to the kids. Obviously there would be many type of writings, as you can already see in the presentation. Well, apart from that, there's a good news for you, parents. We have bonus classes in which we will be talking about, or we will be discussing about, the reading comprehension. Here, the reading comprehension won't be the simple reading. Obviously, with the simple reading, in reading comprehension, we will go with the observation, evidence, and reasoning, where these techniques and the field technique will be also taught to the students with a practical exposure so that they can have a good sense of comprehension as well. Well, this was just about the curriculum, but don't miss it, because with this we have a lot of exciting clubs for our kids. Now, these clubs will give our kids the exposure in the international world, the exposure to show their talent, the exposure for YouTubing and podcasting channels, the exposure to be the public speaker in Astral. So, what are these exposures I'm talking about? Let's take a look. So, we will be having the YouTubing club where the kids interested or want to show the talent can come up with these clubs. There will be the guidance from the public speaking experts here. Here the kids will be given explained about how to come up with the contents, how to make their own contents, how to create their own contents, and how to be confident on the camera. Apart from that, we have drama club, the kids who are interested in dramas, the kids who are interested in theater. Here the theater communication will be shared with the kids, the physicality of acting, and then how to have the magnetic personality. These are the things. And last but not the least, we will have the astral dead. Here the kids can use the technology, the entertainment, and then they can just expose themselves in the competitive world today. So this is all I can say we have in our curriculum. All these clubs will help our kids to become a charismatic individual. I know I can count on you because me as a parent and you as a parent would definitely need our kids to be the confident public speaker and have that content, have that creativity so that they can expose themselves in this competitive world. Thank you so much, parents. I'll see you very soon. All the best. Get the best decision for your kids. Thank you.